Hey there. Ready to pay off your credit card balance and avoid interest charges? Paying your Bank of America credit card bill is simple, and setting it up the right way can save you money and protect your credit score. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to make a payment. Log into your Bank of America online account or app and select your credit card. Go to the Payments tab. You can make a one-time payment from your linked bank account, or better yet, set up automatic payments. Choose to pay the minimum payment, statement balance, or a fixed amount each month. Schedule it for your due date, and the payment will process automatically. My crucial pro tip? Pay the statement balance to avoid interest. If you can, always set your autopay to pay the full statement balance by the due date. This keeps your account in good standing, avoids all interest charges, and is the smartest way to use a credit card. That's how you manage debt responsibly and build a strong credit history. Do you pay your credit card balance in full each month, or do you carry a balance? Share your approach below. If smart credit management guides help you, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.